In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your stock speaker with an aftermarket speaker. The tools you're going to need today is a small flat screwdriver, a short Phillips screwdriver, a bigger flat screwdriver, a longer Phillips screwdriver, and a digital multimeter. And this is my speaker. It's the Kenwood KFC-1695PS. From the front, you can see it's a three-way speaker. When you work on your door, there's a few screws you need to take off first. They're kind of hidden. The first screw is right here. You take out this cap and you'll see the screw. Another screw is right here. You'll take out that cap and you'll see the screw. Another screw is right here. See the cap? Take out the cap and you'll see the screw. Inside the door handle, you'll see this. It's a cap. Take off this cap and you'll see the screw. Now when you take this one off, be careful. As you look closely, you can see it open up like that. And there's that little tab right here, which is the hinge to keep the plastic on. So when you take it off, take it on the other side. I'm going to use my little small flat and take it off like that, and you'll see the screw. To take this off, you open it from the left side right here, and it will pop up. And this is the door handle. All the screw off first. I'm gonna take this right here off first. I'm gonna take this off next. There's a clip on right here. Just click it, and your power window thing should come off. Next, I'm gonna take this off. To take this off, it's click onto right here, and this will have to come out like this. And there's a two clip right here. So you just push up, and the top part will come off. Push down, and the bottom part will come off. Open the handle, and it'll come off. Next, I'm gonna take this cover right here off. There's a clip on right here. Take off this screw. Draw the screw off. The door panel should be able to come off now. There's a bunch of clip-on that is on the bottom. You just pull this out, lift it up, and it should come off. I'm going to start on this side. Okay, with the door panel off, this is how your speakers look like, the stock one anyway. You'll take that screw off, that screw off, that screw off, that screw off, and unplug this. The speaker should come out. To work on the back speaker, you must fold down your chair. Push this button right here. This part of the chair will fold down. Push this button, and the other part of the chair will fold down. This is in the trunk, the rear speaker. To take off the grill, you have to take off that screw right there, and there's one more over here. You take that off, the grill will come off. With the bottom nail off, the grill should come off. There's a nail right there. One right there. One right there. And one right here. And you take off the plug. Speaker should come off. With the 4 screw off and this right here unplugged, speaker should come out. If not, just bang on the bottom for a bit. Should pop right out. You can also check my other 2 videos on polarity and reassembling for the speaker replacement. And again, thanks for watching.